नाज़रीन आदाब, मैं हूं आपकी मेज़बान डॉक्टर हलीमा सादिया और आज मैं लेकर आपकी खिदमत में हाजिर हुई हूं आपका बहुत ही पसंदीदा प्रोग्राम मिनी टीचर। So good evening ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Once again I am here with a special show of mini teacher. Teachers motivate millions and we all have to motivate the teachers. And one way to motivate the teacher is to act like a teacher, to be like a teacher. And secondly, it is said that if you want to learn anything fast or anything that remains in your mind forever, then you have to teach that concept to someone else. So teaching is the most effective way of learning. Jahaneman provides the platform to the young minds, those who are very keen to teach, to act like a teacher. And here we give them the platform to teach me. And it's very exciting for me to teach their teacher and to teach a senior person. And you know, I'm also very excited to learn from them because throughout my journey of education, I found that learning is more interesting than teaching. So that's why I'm still learning. I'm learning from everywhere. And today, I'm going to learn from a very talented, confident girl, a girl who is the student of class 6 from the Scholars School, New Delhi, India. So let's welcome my mini teacher today. My mini teacher today is Baby Insha. How are you, Baby Insha? Insha Kulsum? Yes, welcome to the show.
I am fine, ma'am.
How are you feeling today? You are a teacher.
Ma'am, very exciting. I am.
You are very exciting, and more than you, I am excited to learn. So Insha, first of all, you tell me that what is your ambition in life? What do you want to be?
Ma'am, I want to be a doctor.
Oh, that's great. Any specific motive behind this? Any
Ma'am, my
particular
father
reason?
wish. Ma'am, that is my father wish.
Your father wants you to be a doctor.
Yes, ma'am, that I be a doctor.
And you know, it's always good to follow the instructions of fathers if your interest is also the same. And I'm sure that you have interest in being the doctor.
Yes, ma'am.
I wish you all the best. Now, Insha, what do you like to eat? What is your favorite dish?
Ma'am, tahari.
Pardon? What?
Ma'am, tahari.
Oh, tahari, mote mote aloo wali.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, that's really lovely. Tahari with the tomato ki chutney? या लहसुन की चटनी?
मैम हमें गोश्त की तहारी अच्छी लगती है.
अच्छा, गोश्त की तहरी. Oh my God, it means that is semi biryani, isn't it? Rice and meat together. Yes, yes, that's really a great, a good dish. I also like that.
Ma'am, that is South dish.
Okay, that is South Indian dish?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, Insha, you tell me which place is your favorite place? Where do you want to go?
Ma'am, Russia.
Russia?
Russia.
You want to go to Russia? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
You have all unique answers. The people mostly, they say they want to go to UK, to USA, to Singapore, to Malaysia, to Japan, to Australia, but you want to go to Russia. I think for your medical studies, you want to go?
Yes, ma'am.
So that's really good to know. And I wish that one day your dream of going to Russia will certainly come true. This is my prayer for you today. So, my mini teacher, shall we start the lesson?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please.
Okay, ma'am. Good evening, everyone. You don't confuse me, my look. I am a teacher. I am a not teacher, but today I am your teacher. Today I will teach you a short story about the sun and the wind. This story is important for all us. Let's start the story. One day, the wind goes to the sun and starts boasting about his power. Well, the wind said, I am the strongest on the earth. Look at these trees. It is because of me that they bow their heads. The sun said, don't be foolish. We all are equal. The wind said, I am the strongest of all. They continued to argue for a long time. Finally, the wind challenged the sun. They see a traveler passing by. I shall show my strength. Do you see that man over there? I can blow away this man's shirt in no time. Watch this. The wind puffs and puffs to blow away the man's shirt. The man holds shirt firmly as it flies. The sun said, now it's my turn. The sun smiled gently and began to shine brightly. The man feels heating. The sun smiles and raises up of heat. After some time, the man starts sweating. Finally, he takes off his shirt and sits under the shady tree. The sun proves himself to be stronger than the wind. Thank you.
Lovely story. Yes, beautiful. It was a really lovely story that who is the stronger, and finally it's proved that everybody is equal and everybody has their own benefits, their own uses, and everybody is, and there is similar story that is regarding the mountain and the squirrel. So there is a
Yes,
big
ma'am.
conversation between them. There is a Urdu poem Pahad or Gilahri. In that also similar theme is shown. So the mountain said that I am mightier than you. Then the squirrel said, okay, if you are mightier, you kindly come and pluck from this tree. And that was not possible for the mountain because he cannot move.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, so that proves that everybody has something good in them, and God has created everything with a purpose. So nobody can boast of being superior or being greater. So my mini teacher, today we have received many students, those who are very eager to see that how the mini teacher is teaching. Do you have, my dear students, do you have any questions to ask from the mini teacher? Yes, Hafsa? Yes, Hafsa, whom do you think, who is, the wind is mightier or is more powerful, or the sun is more powerful? Yes, who is more powerful? Tell me.
मम्मा हमको दिखाइए तो कभी भी मैम रुके तो हम बोल सकते हैं वो दिखाते रहिए कभी
Pardon, I couldn't understand. Okay, so this is one story that Insha has taught me with a beautiful theme. Yes, Insha? Now you tell me, who is your favorite teacher?
मैम हलीमा मैम you
Me?
Yes,
I am I am your virtual teacher, not physical, not face to face. But anyway, thank you very much. So, how do you like? Which quality do you like in a teacher?
Ma'am, guide.
The teacher.
You guide best.
Okay. The teacher should be a guide.
Yes.
That's really lovely to know. It's great. And you know, once I visited one school, and there I asked the students, who is your favorite teacher? So normally, you know what happens, the children, they say my math teacher, my science teacher. So these type of things they say. One girl told me that my Hindi teacher. So it was like quite different answer from others. Then I asked her that, what exactly is the reason? Why do you like her? Then she said that my Hindi teacher is very polite, very soft, and she never criticizes me. And if I make any mistake, she calls me in the staff room when she is alone over there in private, and then she tells me what mistake I have made. So that makes the teacher different from others, and that's why I like. So this is really a good quality. You know, I have many teachers in my life, but I like very much, I like APJ Abdul Kalam ji. Although he is not directly my teacher, but I consider him as my guru. I always learn from his thoughts. I always learn from his speeches, from his lifestyle, the way he used to carry himself, the way he used to interact with the children. And the most striking quality, like everybody will appreciate about him, that he was from a very humble background, and he was the son of a fisherman, and he was born in a very poor family. So the people appreciate normally that he has started from the scratch. He belongs to a very poor family, and then how he reached to the greater level. But what I appreciate is that he was very close to the students, and not only to the youth, to the college student, but to the school students as well. And wherever he used to go, he used to ask the organizers that please ensure that there are school children in the crowd. And then he used to interact with them. And you know, I was fortunate enough to meet him once in one of the conference. And that moment was a great moment for me. He was addressing the principals. I was also one of the principal among them. And then there was a question answer session. And then I asked the questions to him, that who is behind his success? Usually it is said that behind every man, there is a woman. Then I asked him, and he said, my mother. He said, I used to take inspiration from my mother when she used to offer her Fajr prayer early morning, and she used to raise hands for dua. That time her face looks to be very angelic. And then I used to feel as if the angel has come into my house, and the angel is guiding me. That is my motivation, and that is my inspiration. So he was very much inspired by his mother. Who is your inspiration, Insha? Yes.
Then my mother and father.
Your mother and father both are your inspirations. Very good. So how do they inspire you? क्या करते हैं वो आपके लिए? कैसे इंस्पायर करते हैं? आप उनको देख के इंस्पायर होती हैं या वो कुछ कहते हैं आपको?
हम उनको देख के इंस्पायर होते हैं.
आप उनको देख देख के इंस्पायर होते हैं. वेरी गुड. तो इंशा, आज का मेरा सबक खत्म हो गया या अभी और कुछ हमें पढ़ाएंगे आप?
नो मैम.
आज का सबक खत्म हो गया?
यस.
कहते हैं उसको छुट्टी न मिली जिसने सबक याद किया. तो हमें तो बहुत जल्दी छुट्टी मिल गई. थैंक यू वेरी मच, एंड थैंक यू वेरी मच इंशा फॉर टीचिंग मी सच अ ग्रेट लेसन ऑफ
Ma'am, I forgot to tell you the moral of the story.
Yes, what is the morals of story?
Moral of the story is there is no one is strongest in the world. All are equal. God makes everything precious and strongest in own place. We should not underestimate anyone. Thank you.
Beautiful moral. We should not underestimate anyone. And I came to know, Insha, that you are attending some public speaking classes and you have learned the speeches over there.
Yes, ma'am.
Which speech have you learned?
Ma'am, I have a dream and anyway poem.
I have a dream is my favorite speech. And I would love to listen to that speech even 1,000 times. I am fond of that speech. So Insha, do you have that speech right now with you? Can you tell me?
Ma'am, only 2 minutes. Then I will tell you.
Pardon, please?
Ma'am, 2 minutes.
Okay, you need 2 minutes. Okay, that's really
Yes, ma'am.
fine. So, my dear viewers, if you have such talents in your house, your daughter, your son, your relatives, any child who is confident, who is capable, and who has enthusiasm to participate in the mini teacher program, they are most welcome. Jahan-e-Man provides them the platform to showcase their talent. They can come here as mini teacher. They can teach anything. They can teach me any skill that they have, whether it is drawing, painting, singing, dancing, or any lessons of their science, maths, history, social science, value education, or any moral education or any motivational lesson. We are here to welcome them. Thank you very much. Yes, Insha is back.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, tell me.
I have a dream today. I have dreamed that one day every valley shall be exalted, every hill and mountain shall be made low, the rough places will be made plain, and the crooked places will be made straight, and the glory of the Lord shall be revealed, and it shall see it together. This is our hope. With this faith, with this faith, I go back to the southwest. With this faith, we will be able to hew out of mountain of despair of a stone of hope. With this faith, we will be able to transform the jangling discords of our nation into a beautiful symphony of brotherhood. With this faith, we will be able to work together, to pray together, to struggle together, to stand up for freedom together, knowing that we will be free one day. Thank you.
Beautiful, beautiful. It is beautifully presented, and the whole speech is so beautiful that if I hear this speech, I feel like energetic. Yes, one day we are going to achieve our goal. So Insha, my wishes are with you. Jahan-e-Man is grateful that you have spared your valuable time and you have come to my studio and you have taught me the great lesson of life that everybody is equal and everybody should be given value and nobody should feel that he or she is unwanted. That is the greatest sadness in life, if somebody feels that he is unwanted in the world. Nobody should be underestimated. Everybody should be given equal values. So with this great lesson, I thank you very much, Insha, for being with us.
Thank you, ma'am.